Gel electrophoresis is a key tool in DNA analysis, used to solve crimes, diagnose diseases, explore inheritance, and more. The Bandit and Viewit kits from miniPCR Bio put this powerful technique within reach for classrooms. With Bandit and Viewit, students build and run a working gel electrophoresis system. Bandit allows for the separation of molecules in a gel, and Viewit for DNA visualization. When combined, students can visualize DNA samples during an electrophoresis run in real time, just like scientists do in the lab. It's an engaging, hands-on way to help students connect with genetics. The Build It to Understand It approach brings the connection between physical and life sciences to life. By assembling their kit, students learn how physical science concepts like circuits, charge, and electricity can be used as fundamental tools in the biology lab. Durable and reusable, Bandit and Viewit are designed to withstand repeated use in the classroom. Powered by a safe USB supply, they make cutting-edge biotechnology accessible and affordable for every classroom. Inspire the next generation of innovators with Bandit and Viewit from miniPCR Bio.